Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be doing this really cute hairstyle. It's kind of like a half up, half down type of bob style. It actually turned out super cute, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did it from start to finish. So let's get straight into the video. So before we get started, the hair that I'm using today is from Dsoar hair, and they are a very affordable hair company. I have this lace front wig from them, and this is their body wave texture with baby hair in the front. And I believe this was an 18-inch wig, if I'm not mistaken. And the wig is made really nice. It comes with elastic bands on the inside. And it did have combs, but I actually cut those out because combs, like, they irritate my head a little bit, so I don't use them. The texture of the hair on the wig was really, really good. It's very nice and healthy looking. Very, very soft. I did bleach my knots on this unit, so I had no issues washing the hair, bleaching the hair, nothing like that. It bleached really well, no damage or anything. Now, my favorite part about this lace front from Dsoar hair is the lace color. Their lace color is like a light chocolate type of brown color. Now, this lace color matches my skin tone so good. Like, the lace literally melts into my skin and you can't see it. And I believe it will work really good for women darker than me as well. If you're lighter, you guys, don't get this lace color. You want to use like a transparent lace or a lighter brown lace. So let's get into styling the wig. The first thing I'm going to do is place my wig on my mannequin head, and I'm actually just going to do a quick flat iron through it. And I do have a new flat iron tool, and this is the Babyliss Pro Titanium flat iron. You guys, this flat iron was so expensive, but I love it. It works really, really good. It gets so hot, and I love that I can flat iron curl with it. It just makes everything. Oh, it's warmed up in Chicago. So I'm just going to do a little quick flat iron. I'm not going to do anything super bone straight yet. I just want to get the hair nice and smooth to prepare it for cutting. So what you want to do is use a blow dryer and use this to kind of press the hair out. Now, I know a lot of people use like the hot combs here on YouTube, but I honestly like to use a blow dryer. I feel like it works faster, it's easier, and it gets my hair in the direction that I want ASAP, okay? So I like to do that first, and then I'm going to go ahead and smooth this up into the ponytail. I parted it on each side and just made a little ponytail right in the middle. I sprayed a little bit of spritz right in the top just so it can have a nice hold to it. It doesn't come apart. It can be nice and firm. If you guys want to add more hair to it just to make the ponytail a lot thicker, you can go ahead and wrap some hair around the base of the ponytail. If you want to do that, you can use straight hair that matches the wig. But I decided to not have the hair. I prefer it thinner. And then I'm going to take a little bit of spritz on a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail and just wrap that around the base of the elastic band or the rubber band just to hide that and make it look more nice and seamless, okay? You want to go ahead and figure out how long or short you want your bob to be. I wanted my bob to be a pretty nice length bob, nothing too long or nothing too short. So I did kind of measure it with my mannequin head, and you know, I kind of guessed how long it would be on me. So the next thing I did was pull the hair back into a low ponytail and put a rubber band on it, and I used clippers to go ahead and cut my hair into a bob. Now, the reason why I use clippers is just because it's easier, it's faster, I get a sharper, cleaner cut. It doesn't look like raggedy and jagged. Everything looks nice and even. So I really love using the clippers. Now, you can go through with your clippers after you've cut it and clean it up, which is what you guys can see me doing right here. But you guys know how to cut a bob. Like, this is like one of the first tutorials on YouTube. Like, y'all know how to cut the bob, okay? So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and take your flat irons or curlers, whatever you like using, and I'm going to go through and flat iron the bob out really nice and smooth. Put a nice little bump in it, nothing too extra, okay? Just a nice smooth bump, and I think it came out really cute. It's nice and bouncy. The hair just holds a bounce, and it looks really nice and not too shiny, just very pretty. So now I'm going to pop on my wig, and as you guys can see, this lace though matches so well. And I'm going to use some Got2b spray just to adhere the wig to my head, and I just sprayed a little bit on my head, and then I use my blow dryer to dry it in place, and I'm using my finger just to kind of press in the product. And once it was dry, I actually took my scissors and I went through and cut the lace off. And you want to make sure you cut your lace in a wiggly type of fashion. You don't want to do your lace like straight across because it's going to look wiggy, okay? Make sure you're curving and jagging your scissors. The more jagged curves and all that stuff, the more natural your lace front will look. So once I was done cutting the lace off, as you guys can see, it just looked so good. I'm going to go in and do some baby hairs, but not too many. This lace is so flawless, you don't need a lot of baby hair. I actually could have got away with no baby hair. So I just did a few little baby hairs, and that was pretty much all I did, you guys, for this look. I'm really loving it. I feel like it definitely makes me look younger, like way younger. I think it would really look cute too if you do have that added hair. Now you make kind of like a big old ponytail and it's coming down into a bob. That would be really cute too. I guess you would call this like a half up, half down bob. Not really a ponytail bob. That's kind of like the style Cash Doll had, but no. This is a half up, half down bob. And it's super cute. But I'm going to actually show you guys what this looks like without the little ponytail. I know some people will probably, you know, just want to wear their hair down and not look like a kid. I just want to give you guys an idea what this wig will look like. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like all down. Just a nice basic bob. It's really cute. I'm really in love with this wig. It just looks super nice and natural. Very nice and seamless and flat. Definitely going into my stash of favorite wigs. If you're interested in this wig, definitely check out the description bar below. The links and all the details about it will be down there. It's a really good wig, you guys, though. It's nice and affordable and it's popping, okay? So thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to thumb this up if you like my hair tutorials. Comment below and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.